My name is Allison Labadie, and I am the Manufacturing Supervisor here at BNB Molders. I oversee the daily activities of production and assembly, as well as I work towards providing career paths to our entry-level employees. What I like most about my job is the fact that I am helping someone every day. From someone that's in the front office to someone that's in our quality department to even our entry-level employees. So my interactions with a lot of people, that's what I enjoy the most about my job. I feel the best skills that you can have is be willing to be open, be willing to be coached. One of the things that I pride in myself is that I am a coachable person. I like to learn something new every single day. So if you are willing to do that, you can definitely go far in anything that you choose to do. Most folks tend to think of manufacturing as something that's dirty, something that's, not going to take you anywhere. I want to smash the stigma on that because I had that stigma at one point in time, only because that's how it was presented to me. The sky's the limit of what you can do. I mean, I'm living proof of that. I came here as a temporary over 17 years ago, and I started off on the ground, working at presses, building parts. Then I proceeded into quality assurance. I was a quality auditor for 10 years. And then after doing that for 10 years, then I was offered this opportunity to become a manufacturing supervisor. So I grew throughout my whole entire time here, and I still continue to grow. If you want to go back to school to hone in on your skills, most companies will pay for that because they want to invest. Take advantage of the opportunity that's given. Take advantage of any training that the company wants to offer you. 9 times out of 10, that company wants to invest in you, and they want to basically make the leaders of tomorrow within their organization.